Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Brillar 7-socket extension board. So this is the box that it comes in. There is no information over here. So I'm just going to open this and show you what's inside. And there you go. This is what you will find inside the box. This is basically a spike resistor or an extension or cable extender, however you want to call it. There are 7 sockets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 3-pin sockets, and it also comes with their own power buttons as well to control them effectively. And yeah, this also says it's made in India. There's some safety instruction. It says never exceed the total maximum load of 6 ampere. So 6 ampere is your maximum load. Never use if the plug lead or the socket are damaged. Never use a power strip spike guard without uncoiling the cable completely, which brings us to the cable. This is a pretty thick, almost a 2-meter long PVC cable, thick PVC cable, and it also comes with a 250 volt 3-pin socket on one end. There you go. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Brillar 7-socket extension board. Thank you for watching.